Welcome to Revenue Cycle Management Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will walk through the complete revenue cycle from patient registration to final collection and explore how to optimize each stage for maximum financial performance. Let us get started. We begin with a comprehensive view of the revenue cycle and how each stage contributes to the financial health of our organization. The revenue cycle encompasses every step from the moment a patient schedules an appointment to the final payment collection. Accurate patient registration is the foundation of the entire revenue cycle, preventing downstream errors and claim denials. Charge capture translates the services we provide into accurate billing codes that determine our reimbursement. Submitting clean, accurate claims on the first attempt dramatically reduces processing time and denial rates. Accurate payment posting ensures we track every dollar received and quickly identify underpayments or denials. Effective collections processes recover revenue that would otherwise be lost to aging accounts receivable. Now let us examine specific strategies for optimizing each stage of the revenue cycle to improve financial outcomes. Each stage of the revenue cycle presents specific optimization opportunities that can significantly improve our financial performance. Verifying insurance eligibility at registration catches coverage issues before services are rendered, preventing costly denials. Automated coding tools and regular audits ensure we capture all charges accurately and maximize legitimate reimbursement. Claim scrubbing catches errors before submission, dramatically improving first-pass acceptance rates and accelerating payment. Offering flexible payment options and automating follow-up communications significantly improves collection rates. Tracking these key performance indicators gives us the visibility needed to identify problems and measure improvement. Days in accounts receivable is our primary efficiency metric, with lower numbers indicating faster collection cycles. A high clean claim rate means fewer rework cycles, faster payments, and lower administrative costs. Monitoring denial rates by category helps us identify root causes and implement targeted prevention strategies. The net collection rate tells us how effectively we convert our expected revenue into actual cash received. The transition from manual to automated revenue cycle management delivers measurable improvements in efficiency and accuracy. Manual processes are error-prone, slow, and consume staff time that could be spent on higher-value activities. Automation reduces errors, accelerates the cycle, and frees staff to focus on complex cases that require human judgment. Effective denial management is one of the highest impact areas for revenue cycle improvement in any healthcare organization. Categorizing denials reveals patterns that point to systemic problems we can fix at the source rather than case by case. Quick, well-documented appeals recover revenue that would otherwise be written off as lost. Preventing denials before claims are submitted is far more efficient than managing them after the fact. Monitoring appeal success rates helps us prioritize which denials to challenge and refine our appeal strategies. Let us recap the essential insights for optimizing revenue cycle management. Getting the front end right eliminates most of the problems that cause claim denials and collection delays. Focusing on claim accuracy and denial prevention delivers the fastest and most measurable financial returns. Investing in RCM technology pays for itself through reduced errors, faster collections, and lower administrative costs. Tracking and benchmarking these metrics enables data-driven decisions that steadily improve our financial performance. If this preview highlighted optimization opportunities for your revenue cycle, the full Udemy course provides detailed workflows, analytics frameworks, and implementation guides for every RCM stage. Enroll today and maximize your healthcare revenue. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Optimize every stage and capture the revenue you have earned.